Welcome to the official Windows 8 channel, and today we're going to have a little look at a Ultrabook slash computer PC, laptop, tablet, hybrid, and it's one of the best rated on the web as of March 2014, thanks to many features including long battery life. So if you're looking for a laptop, something that works like a laptop but can also convert itself into a tablet, has long battery life, has Windows 8.1 on it. The HP Spectre or Spectre X2, the one you see here is the 13T-H200 X2 PC. This is basically rated at $1,099.99, and it's a touchscreen Ultrabook. Works as a 13-inch tablet if you want, and of course has a laptop feel and compatibility. Here is what it looks like on the screen. You can see the different angles here. I'm talking about this Ultrabook in the sense that I've actually looked at many reviews online, including user reviews. So with all of that together, made myself a reasonable review of what it looks like, what people say about it. So if you're looking for something cool, tablet, PC, you want Windows, well, this is a great device actually. It has its quirks and quarks. It has its bad side, but every device does. So no computer is perfect actually in our world. So the Spectre X2, basically, if we look at the specs, is a Windows 8, comes standard with Windows 8.1 64-bit. It is the 4th generation Intel Core i5 processor that's in the one that you see here on my screen. Comes standard with 4 GB memory. That's a little low because most laptops above about $700-800 typically come with 8 gigs of RAM instead of 4, but it shouldn't really show much in the performance level because 4 gigs is more than enough anyways for a Windows machine. It has a 128 gigabyte solid state drive, so it makes this tablet extremely fast to load, and it's fast in its execution thanks to this really fast hard drive, which is solid state. It has no DVD or CD drive, as most Ultrabooks, because they're too thin actually to really work. It has BGN wireless LAN as Bluetooth. Maybe a little word here that it's unfortunate that the standard version does not have AC wireless LAN, but you can, if you want, actually upgrade that card to a AC if you want by customizing on the HP website. It has a 3-cell lithium-ion battery and plus a 2-cell lithium-ion battery, because when you detach the device, well, it kind of splits the battery. Battery life, it says up to 12 hours. In actual use, most people in the real world will tell you that they actually have from 7 to 9 hours of battery on this Ultrabook, so it's quite good, much better than the Surface tablets from Microsoft. This 7 to 9 hours is almost as good as having an iPad, for example, and you have the added bonus of having, of course, a PC with Windows. It has 2 USB 3 ports and 1 HDMI, so you can actually plug the HDMI port to any big screen TV you have at home maybe. And it's actually real 1080p even on the 13-inch screen, which is quite good. And it has a card reader, so if you want to add some SD cards, it has multi-format media card reader. It's a 13.3-inch diagonal HD LED backlit display, and it sports a 1368 by 768 1366 by 768 pixel screen. If you want to have the 1080p version, you'll have to buy or pay an extra. So that's the downwards to it. If you want to have the full 1080p version of it. It has a backlit keyboard, which is really cool, and actually I find that any laptop that does not have backlit keys now is kind of bad, because you know, when you want to use a computer in a dark room, for example. It has a webcam included, of course, as most laptops slash ultrabook slash tablets today, with microphone. It's an HD webcam, but no specs really given to it. As audio, a lot of people say the audio isn't very strong, so if you're looking for something that when you play out of the speakers, the internal speakers, that you need something good, strong, a lot of people say it's a little, it's kind of not very strong, and you might need actually to plug in some external speakers to have a real good sound out of it. One of the drawbacks that a lot of people are complaining on this computer is the fact that for a Ultrabook slash tablet, it's a little on the heavy side. So that might be a bad thing if you are looking for something really light, or if you're using something like a MacBook Air and are looking for a Windows tablet slash Ultrabook. This is heavier than a MacBook Air. So it and heavy enough that a lot of people are just saying, well, you know, I like it, but it is kind of heavy to use. So if you're looking for something lighter, maybe that's not the Ultrabook you should get. But performance-wise, it's fast loading time, great speed of execution. Display is nice, crisp, and pretty good. I think for $1,099 you have something that's quite good. Most people are pleased with it. They seem to say that it runs pretty cool, so that's also something to look for, as a lot of Windows Ultrabook laptops run hot, and that could be a problem, especially on the long term with the electronics. So take a peek, or maybe you can find it on sale somewhere, but it starts at $1,099. Basically, the full HD screen Ultrabook is more like $1,229, and depending on the options, because you can customize, so you can have a bigger hard drive, you can have a faster processor, more memory. Depending on the options that you'll choose, it can run up to $1,600 for this device. So it is still, with all the little drawbacks and quirks, it is still rated as one of the best Ultrabooks out there right now for March of 2014. So if you're looking at something with Windows that's portable, that turns into a tablet, has touch capability, the HP Spectre 13T-H200 X2 PC Ultrabook slash laptop slash tablet computer. If you enjoy our videos, why not subscribe to our channel, and you will be informed when new videos are online. If you have any comments, questions of what you've seen, let us know. Maybe you have a feature of Windows 8 you'd like us to talk about, an app, anything, let us know, and we'll try to put that video online. And hopefully you will come back. If you have that new Windows 8 machine, it's a great place to start to learn how to use your computer. So why not stay with us and watch our videos on the official Windows 8 channel. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.